When it comes to cars that mechanics rarely see, Toyota, Honda, and Lexus are always at the top. These vehicles are built to last, easy to maintain, and trusted by millions worldwide. Here are 10 reliable cars that outsmart mechanics. 2010 Lexus ES 350. This mid-size luxury sedan delivers everything drivers love about Lexus: comfort, smooth performance, and long-lasting dependability. A refined V6 engine gives it effortless power, whether you're gliding down the highway or cruising through the city. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and keeping the ride quiet and relaxed. Step inside and you find leather upholstery, wood trim, and thoughtful design touches that make it feel far more premium than its age suggests. Even technology like premium sound, climate control, and safety features still hold up well today. What really sets it apart is durability. Many examples have gone well beyond 200,000 miles, with little more than basic maintenance. It's a car that proves luxury doesn't have to come with headaches, making it one of the smartest choices in its class for long-term ownership. 2015 Toyota Highlander. This three-row SUV blends family practicality with Toyota's reputation for reliability. Powered by a robust V6 engine, it delivers steady performance and the kind of longevity that owners have come to expect. Whether handling daily commutes or long road trips, it stays comfortable and composed on the road. The cabin is a major highlight, offering space for up to 7 passengers, leather seating in higher trims, and user-friendly technology that makes everyday driving easier. Cargo space is generous, making it just as useful for groceries as it is for vacations. What makes this model shine is how little trouble it causes over time. Owners frequently report crossing 200,000 miles while still enjoying smooth performance. For families who want peace of mind and a vehicle that just keeps going, this SUV remains one of the most dependable choices out there. 2013 Toyota Corolla LE. This compact sedan has earned its place as one of the most trusted daily drivers worldwide. The 4-cylinder engine is simple, efficient, and nearly indestructible, making it ideal for drivers who just want a car that starts every morning without worry. Fuel economy is another strong point, saving money at the pump while still offering steady performance. Inside, the layout is straightforward and practical, with comfortable seating and controls that are easy to use. It may not be flashy, but it delivers exactly what most drivers need: reliability and efficiency in a package that's affordable to buy and inexpensive to maintain. Owners often report their vehicles reaching 250,000 miles or more, with only routine service like oil changes and brakes. For anyone seeking a no-nonsense car that simply works year after year, this sedan proves why it's been one of the world's best-selling models for decades. 2012 Toyota Camry SE. This mid-size sedan is often described as the definition of reliable transportation. The 4-cylinder engine delivers excellent fuel economy while still providing enough power for everyday driving. And the available V6 gives even more strength without sacrificing dependability. It's a car designed to run for years with minimal fuss, which is why so many owners keep theirs far beyond the average lifespan. Inside, the SE trim adds a touch of sportiness with firmer seats, a slightly more aggressive suspension, and unique styling details. It's still comfortable, quiet, and spacious, making it a great option for commuters and families alike. The technology package was also ahead of its time, with features like Bluetooth and a straightforward infotainment system. What stands out most is longevity. With basic care, these sedans routinely cross 200,000 miles and continue to drive like they did when new. For drivers who value peace of mind, it remains one of the most dependable sedans on the road. 2016 Toyota 4Runner. This rugged SUV is built on a truck platform, giving it the toughness and durability that many crossovers can't match. The 4.0-liter V6 engine is known for its bulletproof reliability, delivering steady power whether cruising the highway or tackling rough terrain. It's the kind of powertrain that's been proven for decades, with countless examples still running strong well past 300,000 miles. Inside, the cabin is practical and roomy, offering seating for 5 with plenty of cargo space for gear. Higher trims include leather seating, premium sound, and modern tech features that make it as comfortable as it is capable. Drivers enjoy the commanding view of the road and the confidence that comes with a vehicle designed for adventure. The real highlight is how little it demands from owners over time. With regular oil changes and routine service, this SUV consistently outlasts competitors. For anyone seeking a reliable workhorse that can double as a family hauler and an off-road machine, it's a proven legend. 2013 Honda Accord. This mid-size sedan is a favorite among drivers who value both reliability and a little extra refinement. The four-cylinder engine is fuel-efficient and long-lasting, while the optional V6 provides strong acceleration without giving up dependability. Whichever engine you choose, the powertrain is built to handle hundreds of thousands of miles with ease. Inside, the design is clean and functional, with comfortable seating and user-friendly controls. Technology like Bluetooth, rear-view cameras, and available navigation made it stand out in its time, and many of those features still feel modern today. The spacious cabin and large trunk make it a practical choice for families as well as commuters. What owners appreciate most is how consistent it is. With basic care, these sedans regularly reach 250,000 miles or more, and they do it while keeping repair costs low. It's the kind of car you buy once and keep for a decade or longer, which is why it has remained one of the most trusted names in the segment. 2015 Honda Civic X. This compact sedan has built its reputation on being simple, efficient, and nearly indestructible. The four-cylinder engine is smooth, reliable, and excellent on fuel, making it one of the most affordable cars to own in its class. With the EX trim, you also get features like a sunroof, upgraded audio, and modern connectivity that add a touch of comfort to the daily drive. Inside, the cabin is smartly designed with supportive seats, intuitive controls, and enough space to comfortably seat four adults. Visibility is excellent, and the Civic's compact size makes it easy to park and maneuver through city streets. Safety features and crash test scores also made it one of the more secure choices in its segment at the time. Where it really stands out is durability. With routine maintenance, many of these cars pass 200,000 miles while still running smoothly. Owners often comment that it feels like a car that simply refuses to quit. Affordable, dependable, and efficient, it continues to be one of the most trusted names in small cars. 2015 Lexus RX 350. This mid-size luxury SUV blends comfort, refinement, and Toyota-level reliability, which is why it became one of Lexus's best-selling models. A 3.5-liter V6 provides smooth, confident power while still being known for its longevity. The ride quality is calm and composed, soaking up rough roads and making long trips effortless. Inside, the cabin offers leather seating, wood accents, and plenty of high-end touches that make it feel upscale even years later. The layout is practical too, with roomy rear seats and a versatile cargo area. Features like navigation, premium audio, and advanced safety systems gave it a modern edge that still holds up today. What really makes this SUV special is how well it holds up with age. Many examples cross 200,000 miles with little more than regular maintenance, proving that luxury and durability can go hand in hand. For drivers who want refinement without the repair bills, it's a standout choice. 2014 Honda CR-V. This compact SUV has been a go-to choice for drivers who want practicality and dependability in one package. A proven four-cylinder engine powers it, delivering great fuel economy while still being strong enough for highway driving and light towing. The drivetrain is simple and sturdy, which is exactly why so many owners keep theirs for a decade or more. The interior is designed with everyday use in mind. There's generous space for both passengers and cargo, with rear seats that fold flat to create a large, flexible load area. Comfort is another strong point, with supportive seating and a smooth ride that makes long trips enjoyable. Owners love how little trouble this SUV causes. With regular oil changes and basic upkeep, it's common to see them surpass 200,000 miles while still driving like new. Affordable to run, easy to live with, and built to last, it's no surprise this model continues to be one of Honda's most trusted vehicles. 2013 Honda Fit. This subcompact hatchback proves that small cars can still be incredibly practical and reliable. A fuel-sipping four-cylinder engine powers it, offering excellent efficiency while remaining surprisingly peppy around town. The drivetrain is simple and low maintenance, which is why so many examples keep running strong long after others in its class have disappeared. Inside, the standout feature is versatility. Honda's clever magic seat design allows the rear seats to fold completely flat or flip up, creating a huge cargo area that rivals much larger vehicles. Despite its compact size, there's plenty of room for passengers, and the tall roofline makes the cabin feel open and airy. Owners consistently praise how easy it is to maintain and how long it lasts. With regular servicing, many reach 200,000 miles or more without major issues. For drivers who want efficiency, practicality, and durability in a small package, this hatchback is one of the smartest buys out there.